Hey my friends, as a complete beginner at editing videos in Final Cut Pro, I will share with you what I have learned so far. You must be under a lot of pressure when editing videos in an advanced app like this. It's something I totally understand, since I have been through it. I had no prior knowledge in this area, so I gathered the information from YouTube, books, and the web. After watching my video, I am 100% confident that you are capable of editing. I will focus on the following things in this video: equipment I use, how to organize original footage and other materials for my videos. As a newbie, how do I edit my own videos? So without further delay, let's begin. Since I didn't have much equipment to use at first, I started recording videos with my phone. I think it's a good idea, it's handy and a must prop for me. So I recorded a lot of videos. My phone screen is actually broken, but it did not affect how I use it. Don't worry about buying the perfect camera or other professional props too much. Take what you have and start from there. As more videos are produced, your storage file will become a mess if you don't have the habits to organize your file. When I started, I always got stuck of what to do next, so I did some research on getting help. I made my own version based on other people sharing. Now my file covers everything I show in making just one video. It's not only useful for saving my time and putting myself in a really clear position when I'm drafting a new video, but it also helps me organize my files well. I could quickly locate the materials that I use. It's not that difficult. It only takes you 2 steps to skip the mistakes that I have made. First, I created a preset file called Days Video Name for YouTube videos. It includes the following information: A-roll, B-roll, picture, audio, procreate effects. Here are the details inside each file. It is okay to copy mine at first and then adjust it later when you have more ideas. Second, every time when I'm ready to make a new video, I will just copy and paste this file, and the rest would just be filling the corresponding materials inside each file. A beginner may start filming with their phone. This is a smart way to begin. Just use the props we already have. It is possible that you will face the exposure issue in this case. Why our videos look great on cell phone and laptop but exposed after being added to Final Cut Pro? No worries, we can easily fix this problem by following these steps. Check a phone video into Final Cut Pro. Like what I have shown on the screen, the video has been automatically exposed. Press this button and type in HDR. Check effects into the video storyline you had. As you can see from HDR tools, it shows HDR to REC 709 SDR. Choose the second mode, HLG to REC 709 SDR. Then your video will look exactly the same as what you see on your phone or laptop. Apart from HDR, we can use various other filters to enhance the quality of our videos and make them flow better so the audience won't become bored while watching our videos. In this case, we can use a shortcut by pressing Command 5 and it will appear different options. It is possible to search them individually or by typing keywords. Here are some filters that I use most frequently. If my video has been exposed, I will fix this problem first, then make a rough cut after dragging all videos into Final Cut Pro. So my sequence might be like this: add video, fix exposure, rough cuts, or add video, rough cuts. Rough cuts are simple but important. Just keep the essentials from what we recorded. Most of my videos have a typewriter or basic title as a subtitle. This might confuse you as a beginner, so let me explain. In what kind of scene do I use a typewriter? When I want to emphasize what's the main focus of the video and let others know what it is all about, I prefer to use typewriter. Choose title from the left corner and type keywords to search, such as typewriter. Check this function over your video. Type the keywords you want to display. It can be changed in text, fonts, size, and other things. So far, I use the basic one. I like white or black. I like to change the fonts here. Just choose the one you like. If you don't find the right one, you can jump to Google, search and download for more free fonts you like. As the steps are almost identical with typewriter, I won't elaborate. The only difference is that you select basic title. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+T. Usually, I use it to show what I'm talking about or to show others what I'm thinking during quiet moments. Let's compare before and after using background music and sound effects. Music is like the soul of a video to me. This enhances the energy and resonance of a video. For over a year, I have been using Epidemic Sound. If you want to use music for free, there are other ways to find non-copyright music. This is only my preferred platform since I have access to music at my fingertips and don't have to worry about copyrights. You just need to search for what you want and download it, then jack it onto your videos. I strongly suggest utilizing BGM and sound effects appropriately. It will take your video into the next level. I still remember how cranky I was when I faced this terrible issue. I was so afraid I could lose those edited videos. I wish I could get some help at that moment. Therefore, I have to share when this might occur and how to solve. When will our file turn red and be missing? When a file has been moved from file A to file B. When this video has been renamed by you. You should select the video that is turning red and make sure you can see the yellow border. From Final Cut Pro, select the file. In this column, you will see Relink file, which is the function will help you recover your video. Click the original media to view it. Choose Missing or All, then click Locate All. If you see files pop up, please choose the file that stores this video directly, as this will help you reduce the time it takes to relink it again. If you did it correctly, this Relink Files button will change from gray to purple-blue. Select the button to see your video return. In my previous video, you will see that I enjoy making handwritten text or drawings, which are either PNGs or GIFs. It is so much fun to see them in my videos. They bring my express to life, and I enjoy creating them. In some cases, I will simply trace the line by hand or draw it myself. I only have basic drawing skills, so Procreate offers me different ways to create without too much stress. If you love drawing, I highly recommend adding hand design effects to your videos. Here's our final step, exporting our video. Click the right corner, then select Export File. Don't forget to name your video. Once you are satisfied, click Next, then Save. Once it's done, the final video would appear for you to check, or you could view it from the file you have saved. Here is my sharing today. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you next time. Goodbye.